Trash.
Hey, Claptrap. He's a tough little bitch. You know, in the pre-sequel, you can play Claptrap as a playable class.
That sounds
He's a very
horrible.
interesting character to play, to be honest.
I have to play as the villain.
Would you play as Claptrap, Chere?
Probably
You can also
not.
play as Handsome Jack, the pre-sequel.
Yeah. Ew, exploded.
You gotta go check on what's his face over here.
Blind guy?
Peg leg.
The blind guy that threatens to shoot you with a shotgun.
Oh, he's not in his chair.
Oh! What happened, my dude?
Oh God!
TK, what happened?
Time to play! Time to play!
Let's kill
Oh God! Ow! What just hit me?
Oh, they killed him.
They hung him. That's a. Okay, can I point out one thing?
What's up?
That ceiling fan is one badass hung ceiling fan.
Yeah, you're right.
Blades. Like,
Oh, yeah. So
whoever
crazy.
installed that ceiling fan was the man.
Why'd they hang him from his peg leg?
Oh, well, I guess that's less painful, I
How
guess.
did he die? I don't even see any wounds.
They bled him out,
Oh, his stomach, one cut on his stomach.
maybe.
But his shirt's not stained that much.
Aw. He's like one of the
Yes,
few likable characters, and they just murdered his ass.
Well, that was easy at least. Now it's this.
Pretty incredible restraint. I just southern display.
I ran one over.
No, I meant with not ramming me. Oh God!
You're getting a boost, nerd.
No, I just completely missed the ramp.
Jesus, you are bad at driving.
A little bit.
I like driving because this game is easy.
Did you know Shep Sanderson
Oh, I'm here.
has another job for you?
What destroyed your bunghole? You went the wrong way. Man.
What are you trying to do?
Best. I don't know why.
I just shot a skag from all over here with a revolver and killed it.
Oh, nice.
That was up on that hill where you jumped off.
Oh, we gotta kill something. I don't have any health bags. Shit.
Here you go.
Oh,
Oh, we both
I'll
dropped
grab
one.
one.
You can only use one at a time.
yeah, but I can use one and then use the other.
Oh, I bet it's a big ass rack. Oh God, is it a dragon? What's happening?
Mothrak,
What's happening?
he's up above us.
Oh God, he just destroyed
Ow.
me. How do I kill that?
I don't see anything.
He's straight up, straight up.
Still don't see anything. I see fire.
He's right above us. Ow!
You have
Ow!
a weak point.
Ow!
Jesus, how do you fight this?
More attention next time.
Oh, that's how you fight it. You just sprint around and aim up in the air with an SMG and hip fire. With a shitty SMG at that. Give him. We need to share super fire SMG.
Wouldn't it be immune to fire?
Oh yeah, it
I
might be.
guess so. It might be.
Can't tell if I'm hitting him or not.
You see numbers popping up?
No.
No, you're not. I'm lighting them up.
It's like impossible to hit with a rocket.
I'm just hip firing at them. Not even accurately, and it's hitting like crazy.
Oh, there are numbers, they're just really small.
After I got through the confusion of what was going on, he's not that bad. Dodging his fireballs good enough. Wait, let my bird finish him. Get him! Get him! Do it, do it, do it, yes!
Nice. Oh god! Its corpse
It's
landed
huge.
here. That thing is fucking massive.
Did you hear my guy laughing maniacally after
Yeah.
I killed it? Was that... You better give me something good for that. We can fast travel back now.
Oh, we can?
Well, we gotta go back to the fast travel station. But...
Oh. Wait a second. Drop something over here.
Whoa.
Shitty sniper rifle. Shitty shield.
Yeah, I guess their quest rewards are gonna be what gives us what we want. Is there really no fast travel station right here?
How can you tell between those and the car stations? Or, I mean, the new U stations?
They look different.
Green pole.
Oh, there are new missions here. No. Okay, good. I was about to be salty.
Okay, so this one's a green pole. Oh, no, it is the new U stations. They're the same.
Yeah. And I thought you meant the car
I
station.
did the car, but then I saw it and I meant...
I was already clicking it. There we go.
I was so tempted to open my inventory.
I'm so tempted to kick you out of my server.
Oh god. Always that, like, screen rubber banding was horrendous every time.
You're horrendous every time. Yeah. 2 minutes and new weapons.
Those guns absorb a lot of recoil, allowing you to stay accurate.
Corrosive shotgun, that is absolutely terrible. You want to look up what is a painful thing does?
No. Not sure though.
No. Well, if it's really good.
What?
I'll look it
Well,
up
I have a
anyway.
better shotgun anyway, so I'm not worried about it. Nerd!
Hey, you here when the water's gonna come back on?
Extra damage, predefined build with
Stuff been
corrosive
showing
attack.
up missing
Okay.
lately.
Very
Makes you wonder.
useless.
Talk to you later.
You said it's called a painful thing?
I looked it up.
Yeah, I was gonna say I already have one of those.
Hey, you see my gun?
Yeah, it's useless.
I'll just let it occupy my...
I'll let it
That's
occupy the ground. 1 minute.
Oh God. Wait, you know how I need to shoot in the face with this corrosive shotgun?
Oh wait.
I hope you're avoiding the negative element around here.
Oh, a scooter. He wanted us to check on him.
Shot the chick in the face. Yeah, he had a horrible
Trying to
quarter.
eat her out.
Actually, I was, but
Wait,
all
what?
I'm saying is you don't believe people run around
Trying to
talking
eat her
about
face
magic
out.
spewing out
Oh.
treasure and the like, all right?
Wait, you want to eat her face off?
He's shooting acid on the normal side of
Oh.
her face so it would melt.
I thought you said you wanted to eat her face off.
I was asking him.
I heard something completely different to either of those things.
I
You want to eat her
guess.
ass off or something?
No, I heard Cher said you trying to eat her out. I was like, what?
No. Even.
Even her out. Okay, that makes a lot more sense.
Recoil reduction into 1
I'll keep that for myself.
Oh, that's a pretty good SMG. It doesn't have any elemental, but
Jesus, 235,000?
yeah, it's
I'm
expensive.
about to buy that bitch.
Just because it's expensive.
No, just because I kind of want it. Cause I want a good SMG. That's not elemental.
Just can't carry enough bullets for your favorite gun? Sounds like you need a storage
Hey,
depot.
Tooth.
Oh,
Supplies limited.
You want a present?
what is it?
You want a present?
What is it?
Just tell me if you want a present.
Sure. Why not?
Oh shit, look at that.
Oh, fuck yeah.
The only downside, it only has 1 rocket in it.
Yeah, but 500 damage? Oh. Oh.
Killed a rocket launcher is like such a dipshit. Is that why you work out? Just to hold rocket launchers with 1 hand?
Yeah. That is the sole reason of my gym going.
He should be able to do double rocket launcher in that case. 1 for each arm.
The Gunzerker can.
Gunzerker.
In Borderlands 2.
Make
The
dual
dwarf.
The dwarf? I forgot all about him.
What can I do for you?
Okay, so next would be... I guess Rust Commons West. Is that this area?
No.
What is the star on the map way over there? To the west.
Transition, it says.
Wow, it's another phase, I guess. I don't know.
Maybe that's where Rust Commons West is. No, that's to the east. Wait, did we come from the Rust Commons?
I think so,
That-
yeah.
Ugh.
Power plant, get you one.
I don't see it.
I'm gonna drive there.
Yeah.
Time for a nice relax.
Forget your ride.
Drive.
Oh god. Saw nothing.
It's not the same area, it's a different area, so it's a new area.
Oh, you went. Oh.
I am talking. The lady with scars where her face should be believes that you and I are looking for the same thing.
God, that's so
Come
brutal.
now, so I can see the artifact you have recovered.
Oh,
Oh, you're running them all over?
thanks for killing me.
Sorry.
Can you kill one, Chair?
Or like, I'm trying to kill him.
Yeah, I just got 1 week for you. love dinging headshots.
I'm sorry, Cher. I didn't mean to get you killed.
He did it on purpose, Cher. He whispered me right before he did it. He said, "Watch this, I'm gonna kill Cher."
There is no whisper in this game. What are you talking about?
For making that dirty joke earlier. My dirty joke, the joke that you made about him being bad at video games. Or something.
Your DNA has now been granted clearance to travel within the Rust Commons. Please wait while I activate the gate. I am the best robot. Yeah, yeah, oh yeah. I am the best robot.
Shut the fuck up, Claptrap.
I thought he just exploded.
No, I shot his ass with a rocket launcher.
I am the best hunter. Yeah.
The only hunter. Trying to spacebar the menu, buddy.
No, spamming E to use.
Oh, cesspool, lovely.
It's pretty, right? The big sunflowers around.
I guess.
This is Southern's hometown.
The cesspool. He spawned here.
Southern, would you do me a favor and vomit a bunch of health packs everywhere?
I know, I bought some already, says out.
Oh, these are really good ones too. Ready?
Mm-hmm. So many.
No, I have to sell the old one.
Oh, I have to make free money, yeah.
Well, I just meant he might take them all.
He can't, I could barely carry that many. That was full inventory. Hey, Tooth.
Up.
Your butthole's a cesspool.
How are you so intimately familiar with my tiny?
I mean, I just look at your steroided body and I just assume your shit can't be anything nice.
It's just like chewed up raw meat falls out of my ass.
What if his penis is as small as his neck? On steroids.
Probably.
It might be a stick though. The ultimate chode, 1 inch long, 15 inches around.
Jesus Christ.
You missed.
I know. Thanks. Just flatten that dude. That was great.
Does rocket launchers give you less XP?
Maybe. You're just watching me shoot rockets at this dude. This is not doing anything to him. Southern, what are you doing?
Do you want a car?
It's not that big of an area.
Okay. I don't know.
I just now looked at the map.
So Tooth, I want you to open up the map, and I'm gonna cycle through the quest, and oh no, the stars. Maybe they're quests.
It says transition on the key.
Maybe that means quests.
Alright, we'll cycle through the quest real quick.
See which one's closest.
That, go back. 2. One more.
This one?
That one, yeah. And then the 2 after that.